Hi everybody, it's me Plantine Charlene, and in this quick video I just wanted to share some of the things that my plants are going through currently between plant pests, lighting, and watering. I'm sure I'm not the only one who has gone through these type of things, and I just wanted to show you a few things that I am dealing with during this fall. And before we move on to the video, I always like to say thank you to everyone and anyone who has chosen to click on my video to watch it. If you are someone who is subscribed to my channel and returning, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And for anyone who is new, thank you for choosing this video. And I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel, clicking the bell to know when a new video has popped up. Comment below. I love seeing the comments. Share with anyone that you think would appreciate it. And don't forget to like. Thank you. Alrighty, now let's get to the video. So you see how there's this light end on my money tree leaf? That's because it was too close to the artificial light that it receives. This is the kind of damage you would see too if there was too much sunlight hitting it. So I have it here. I have it, no, not so much there. Here as well. So basically it burned the leaf. That's what it can look like. Okay, not sure if you'll really see, but there's spotting. See that spotting? That's the result of spider mites. That's what they can do to your leaf or your leaves on your plant, depending on what type of plant you have. You'll see the damage that can be done from spider mites. This is the kind of damage you can get from thrips. I believe this is thrips. It's either aphids or thrips. It's the little black bugs that you'll see on your plant. They like to live mainly underneath. All of these bugs I'm talking about will live underneath and then make their way to the top of your plant. So when you spray your plants for damage, you want to get the front and the back of the leaf. So this is a mix of spider mite and either aphids or thrips. I think it's thrips. This is what happens when you find your plant has mealybugs and it has to be isolated. I don't see any damage. I only saw one. So it has been isolated. The plant itself looks good. I don't want to have to show you mealybug damage because mealybugs are my biggest nemesis, my biggest plant nemesis. And I am getting a new leaf here, so we'll see. But so far, it's been about 2 weeks since I saw the bug. I'm keeping this plant away from all other plants for at least 4 weeks minimum, spraying it, washing it off, treating it until I feel comfortable, which really is hard for me to feel because it's been months since I saw any. And then, bam, I saw one on 2 different plants. And this is such a beautiful plant. It's an aglaonema. It says it here. Let's just get this out. Spathanema. It's such a beautiful plant. So you see that variegation in the leaves. I never saw it before, and I found it in Georgia. I'm excited. Look at that. There's something about variegated leaves sometimes that can motivate me to buy a plant, and then there's something about leaves that's just all green that motivates me. So hopefully this plant will be a survivor. I'm not gonna give up kind of a plant, because I'm not gonna give up on it. That's right. I'm here for you. That's just basic results from when you don't water your daggone plant enough. It dry up.